Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to play on the piano the composition from the movie Succession, composed by Nicholas Britell. First I will show you how it sounds together, and then I will show you very slowly the right hand, the left hand, and how to play it together. So that's how it sounds with both hands. So the right hand starts with the octave on C, but there is a very short note on B as well before. We play like this. Alright, just once. So the right hand starts like that, a pause, then we play B, C, D, C, B flat, A flat, G flat, G, A flat, and G with the first short pause. The fifth on G, which is an octave here, octave up. So we start G, F, E flat, D flat, the first on D, the second on E flat, D, and next figure is, we start here on D, and here we play D but one octave up. So this is D, C, B, A flat, G, F, E flat, and D. And that's a lot what we've done already. Let me repeat from the beginning. And don't worry, because next we will have lots of repetitions. So we start with an octave, like this, then B, C, D, C, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, G, A flat, and G, a pause, G, F, E flat, D flat, D, A flat, D, D up, C, B, A flat, G, F, A flat, D. Alright, so let's add the left hand to that part. And the left hand is great in that composition because it repeats all the time. We have the one line that repeats all the time. We have C with the fifth, and then 3 chords that repeat C, C and E flat. They repeat. Then we have A flat and also C and E flat repeated 3 times. Then we go down F and C and D repeated 3 times. Next G and the chord B, D, G repeated 3 times. So that's a lot, that's a whole part for the left hand. Let me repeat it. Alright, so both hands for this part. the part of the right hand we have this octave with short note as before, once, and then we have the chord like that, C, E flat, G and C, just once. Then we have the chord like that, which is C, E flat, A flat, then the chord D, A flat, C and D, and almost the last one, D, G, B and D, and once again the same as before, C, E flat, G and C. This is not easy, so just practice yourself. Let me repeat the right hand for this part. So we have this octave and the chords. The first one, the second, the third, the fourth, and as before, like that. Alright, so let's play with both hands. Are the same. Now this is one measure which is a bit different. The left hand is as before, only in the right hand we play from this D, not up here but here, and a little bit later. So we play G in the left hand and we enter with the right hand. Alright, let me continue. We will have the chords like this in the left hand, an octave C and E flat repeated 3 times in the left hand, and then the chords repeated twice, even 3 times together, and we will have this octave with a short note 3 times. So we will play like this, an octave here and an octave in the right hand, and twice 2 more chords like this, and we play with the right hand just as at the beginning. Let me repeat with you from the beginning in quite right tempo. Right, so that's the composition from the movie Succession. I hope that now you can play it yourself, and I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you.